All right, probably the last one here at the ice fishing show here on the 7th day of December. Hope you enjoyed the little, I don't know, the 7th one, I think, whatever it may be. So we'll kind of work our way out. You got all kinds of stuff here. Water bottles. And of course, you got coolers. Eat, sleep, fish. Here we are, the toy hauler, you guys. So this is a kind of the back way here. Kind of come in here.
Yeah, of course.
Nice. How much something like this go for?
This one we got it just under 50 right now.
Can this be an RV too as well or not?
Yeah, absolutely.
To
It's
me,
got a full bathroom up there.
Yeah, to me, these are. I love the wood. They're built better than RVs.
Yes. Yes.
I see a lot of videos where people are spending $200,000. If I'm buying that money, I'm bringing you in somebody to inspect before I buy it, and they'll be on the shop for 2 years and they leak already.
I can say I know other places do things differently for dealerships, but we just started putting our pre-inspection list in
Right.
campers.
Yeah.
This one we got it before the list was
Right.
done in store, but
Right.
we're trying to show exactly what our guys do before it's even
Right.
on the lot.
A bit better. It's amazing how some people on YouTube, there's money, they fall apart and they won't buy it back. It's like,
Yep.
oh my God. It's a
And
lot of.
that's just the pre. We do a post one too. We
Right.
teach our customers everything
Right.
about them too.
All right. Thanks a lot.
It's nice. We got 1, 2,
So it's a toilet hall right there. Oh yeah, Tootsie Rolls. I gotta have Tootsie
solid
Rolls.
anchor point out there.
Gotta have some Tootsie Rolls.
So then once you're out, drop it
Never
down,
get stuck. Knockers.
grab the cable, and out it comes.
See me real quick. All right. All kinds of good stuff, huh?
Good stuff. High grip studs, so easy to install. You install it to your boot. All
Oh.
different applications. Tungsten carbide tip. You can use it for snowmobile, ATVs.
So it gives you a little extra. Oh. Cool. All right. Clothing galore, as you can see. Now you get over here, you gotta have knives.
Did you need anything?
Those bad boys. I'll chop someone's head out with this sucker. Hello. No, I'm just gonna look at the knives here. You gotta have your knives to cut your fish. That bad boy. Goodness. Chop someone's head off. Well, don't worry about it. I don't do that kind of behavior. The point is, it's people always get in trouble with knives. Hey, that's nice. I love these. I have something like that. All kinds of pots and pans when you catch your fish. Very nice. Yeah, hopefully I'm not going to chop your head off. Jesus. Yeah, all kinds of good stuff. We'll get over to here. Get into augers over here. Cruise around over here. So they have different kind of augers. You got the. I saw a lot of people carrying these things out of here today. People buy augers, and I kind of like the electrical ones. They're kind of nice. Clothes. I smack bass. That's hilarious. All kinds of fun stuff. Worms, fake worms. The camera. That's what goes under the lake. I do like that one thing that was. See how deep the lake is. That was kind of cool. Yeah. So They have all kinds of fun stuff in here, it looks like. I'm a hooker on the weekends. Nice. Nice. Very nice. You can make your own lures, man. I'm going to try to chop your head off. The point was it's sharp stuff. Yeah, okay. I'm be chopping your head off. God, what a weird thing to say to somebody. Yeah, okay, girlfriend. Point was it's sharp stuff. You gotta be careful. When people read into the wrong stuff. When you say something, it's like, yeah, okay. Like if you give someone eye contact right away, they think maybe you, oh my goodness, you know.
How you doing?
Good.
Good.
Lake Effect. We were incorporated. Bring the storm.
Just so you guys know, we're a Michigan-based company. We specialize in
I guess they're in Michigan.
Excuse me, I'm asking.
No problem. Is there more up there? Is there more up there?
There you go.
All right. Let's go up here. Oh, all right. Maybe it's not the last video. The what? Oh, up here? Yeah. All right. All of a sudden there's more up here. I'm like, oh my goodness. Where's it? Hey, Santa Claus.
Everybody, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
That's right, it's me.
Hi, Santa.
I used to have the
Where's the trout pond at?
right around here.
Oh, okay.
You go straight through the door.
All right.
You can see it. Down the accounts.
Oh my God, more stuff up here? Oh my goodness. This is the we got all kinds of fun stuff up here. My goodness. Huh. Yep. This is Roy Wilkins here. I've seen concerts here before. I guess they got a trout pond somewhere. I don't know. Let's see. I can smell food, so who knows? Dog. All kinds of bait stuff.
So you don't have to hold on to it.
Oh yeah, look at that stuff. Smoking oak. Nice.
Turkey.
Nice.
Yeah, beef's on your right, on your left, saw wild, guys. 40 gets you everything. Beef is on the white.
Oh, and that's where they have the trout pond over here, as he said. So there it is. You can go fishing. You can go fishing and attempt to catch fish. Let's see. All right. We have more little portables here. Right there. Sitting in there already. Somebody, fake guy. More right here.
Yeah, I got it.
All kinds of ideas. Rice fishing. Lincoln quality tackle. Packers. Glockens. Make all kinds of fun stuff.
Check out
Pickles. They have they have food here and all kinds of stuff. Oh my goodness. Cheese. That stuff looks good, huh?
It is good.
Nice.
Samples.
Nice.
Yeah, you should take a picture and get their company fast.
Very, very nice. Yep. Oh yeah. 5-star sausage. Got wild puck. You guys. So. Something different. That's good. Something unique. 25 bucks. Merry Christmas. Very nice. Drop dime medals. Yeah. What the hell, huh? Anyways, all right.